Want to edit a photo on your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to edit your iPhone photos using the tools built into the Photos app. Now let's get started. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the photo you'd like to edit. Then tap the Edit icon in the bottom menu. This will bring you into the editing view. Right away, you'll see the Auto Enhance tool. It's the little magic wand icon. Tap it once, and your iPhone will make quick adjustments to things like brightness, contrast, and color. It's a great one-tap fix. But let's dive deeper into the other tools you can use to edit your photos to your liking. The Adjust section lets you fine-tune your photo. Swipe through the adjustment tools at the bottom. Let's go through them one by one. Exposure controls overall brightness. Slide right to brighten or left to darken. Brilliance adds contrast and detail without losing highlights or shadows. Highlights adjust the brightest parts of your photo. Shadows adjust the darkest parts of your photo. Slide it right to make them brighter or left to deepen them more. Contrast increases or decreases the difference between the light and dark parts of your image. Next is brightness. Similar to exposure, use this to make your photo brighter or darker. Black point deepens blacks to add richness. Saturation boosts or tones down color intensity. Next we have vibrance. This is similar to saturation but less intense, and it detects skin tones to avoid oversaturating them. Warmth adjusts the overall color temperature to be warmer or cooler. Tint adds a green or magenta tint for color correction or creative looks. Sharpness adds definition to edges. And definition adds clarity to textures. Noise reduction can smooth out grainy photos, especially if they're in low light. And vignette darkens edges for a subtle spotlight effect. You can use just one or two of these tools to make slight adjustments, or use all of them if you want to make more intense edits or add a cool stylistic look to your photo. If you're editing a live photo, you'll see an extra option in the bottom menu. Here you can choose which frame of your live image you want to make the key photo. Slide the marker at the bottom to choose which frame you like the best. Then tap Make Key Photo to select it. If you want to try a quick look change, try out filters. Apple gives you a range from vibrant color boosts to classic black and white. Tap a filter to see how it looks on your photo. You can also adjust the intensity of the filter by using the slider at the bottom. Tap Crop at the bottom to see additional tools to crop, straighten, and rotate your image. At the bottom, use the sliders to adjust your photo's rotation and tilt from top to bottom or left to right. With the tools at the top, you can flip your image to mirror it or rotate counterclockwise. To crop your image, you can drag the edge markers to crop freely, or tap the aspect ratio icon in the top right to choose from presets like square, wallpaper size, 9x16, 4x5, and more. If you want to add extra touches to your photo, you can try the markup tool. Tap the marker icon in the top right corner to access the markup toolbar. Here you can doodle on your image using various drawing tools, or tap the plus sign to add stickers, text, your signature, or shapes to your image. This makes it easy to dress up your photo and make it unique. Editing is all about enhancing what's already great in your photo. Don't feel like you necessarily need to use every tool, as just a few tweaks can make a huge difference. When you're all finished editing your photo, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. If you have other photos you'd like to edit in the exact same way, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Copy Edits. Choose which edits you want to reuse, then tap Copy. Open another photo you want to edit the same way, and tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Paste Edits. Your copied edits will then be applied to this image as well. Repeat to paste edits on as many photos as you'd like to edit in the same style. That does it for our guide to editing photos on your iPhone. Want to try out another photo editing app with additional tools? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.